how to use Codex for free. That's what this whole video is about. And by the end, you'll see the exact setup I use to run it from one simple dashboard on my laptop. Let me start with the thing most people don't know. Codex is OpenAI's coding agent. It can write, fix, and run tasks for you. Most people think you have to pay a lot to use it. You don't. There's a free way in. And once you know it, you can put that agent to work all day. But here's the part that changed everything for me. Running Codex on its own is fine. It works. But it's a bit like having a smart worker sitting in a room with no desk, no tools, no folders. They can help, but you're the one running back and forth handing them stuff. So I built something to fix that, a local dashboard that runs right on my laptop. I call it my Agent OS. Some folks call it Mission Control. Same idea. It's one screen where I can see my agents, give them jobs, and watch them work. And Codex plugs right into it. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. While he is out there helping clients grow, I am here keeping you up to date on everything AI. Julian reads every comment, so drop one below and he will see it. Let me show you what that actually looks like day to day. Say I wake up and I've got a list of things I want done. Normally I'd open 10 tabs, copy stuff around, lose my place, get distracted. With the Agent OS, I open one window, I see all my agents lined up, I type what I want, I hit go, and they start working while I go make coffee. That's the whole point. One place, everything in view, no jumping around. If you want the exact... Okay, back to it. Now, why does this matter so much right now? Because a year ago, these coding agents were slow. They time out. They forget what you asked halfway through. You give them a job and come back to a mess. Now they can hold a task for a long time and actually finish it. That's a huge jump. And most people haven't caught up to how big that jump is. Here's a simple way to think about why the dashboard matters. Imagine a filing cabinet with no labels on any folder. That's what it feels like when your agent has no system around it. It has to dig through everything every single time. Slow, messy. Now put labels on every folder and line them up neat. That's the Agent OS. The agent knows where everything is. It moves fast. It doesn't get lost. Let me give you one real example of how I use it. I wanted a fresh landing page for my community, the AI Profit Boardroom. So I told Codex, through the dashboard, build me a landing page that shows how AI automation saves business owners time and helps them get more customers. It went off, wrote the page, showed me a preview. I tweaked 2 lines, done. That's the kind of thing that used to take a full day. And you don't need to be a coder for this. That's what people get wrong. You're not writing code. You're telling a worker what you want in plain words. The worker does the code part. Quick pause here. Setup. I'm showing you. I've built out a full 30-day roadmap inside the AI Profit Boardroom that walks you through it. How to get Codex running for free. How to set up the Agent OS on your own laptop. And here's the part I really want you to hear. You can grab the full Agent OS zip file right inside the boardroom, ready to install. You don't have to build it from scratch like I did. It's done for you. We've got 4 coaching calls every week where you can ask questions live about your own setup, and members already using Codex to build pages, write content, and pull in leads for their business. Link in the description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Because this ties right in. Let me walk you through how the free part actually works, because this is the piece people miss. Codex has ways to use it that don't cost you. There are free tiers and free tools that let you run the agent. The trick isn't finding some secret hack. The trick is setting it up so you can actually use it every day without friction. That's where the dashboard comes in again. It handles the connection for you. You set it once, then it just works. And once it's working, you can stack jobs. Here's what I mean by stacking. Instead of giving the agent one task and waiting, you line up a few. Write this, fix that, check this other thing. The Agent OS lets you see all of it at once. Some jobs finish while others are still going. You're not sitting there watching a loading bar. You're getting real work done in the background. Let me give you another example anyone can use. Say you run a small business and you get the same customer questions over and over. You can have your agent draft clean answers to all of them, saved and ready. I did this for common questions people ask about the boardroom. One job, a whole folder of ready replies. Now, I'm not typing the same thing 50 times a week. See how simple that is? You're not building an app. You're just handing off the boring stuff. Now, let me be honest about something because I don't want to oversell this. Setting this up the first time takes a little effort. I'm not going to pretend you click one button and you're done. There's a setup step. You've got to get the pieces talking to each other. That's exactly why I packaged mine up. So you skip the hard part. But if you want to do it yourself from scratch, you can. It just takes patience. And I get the skepticism. People are tired of hearing that some new AI thing changes everything every 2 weeks. I feel the same way. So I'm not telling you this changes your whole life. I'm telling you it saves you real hours every week. That's it. That's the promise. And that alone is worth your time. Let me show you the dashboard idea one more way because it's the heart of this. Think about how you work right now. You've probably got a browser with too many tabs, a notes app, a folder somewhere, your brain trying to hold it all together. The Agent OS pulls that into one spot. You open it, you see your agents, you see what they're working on, you give new jobs, you check what's done, all from one screen on your laptop. That's the shift, from scattered to one place. And when Codex is the engine behind it, running free, you've got a real worker on call all day for nothing. Here's a third example, and this one's my favorite. Content. I told my agent to take one long piece I wrote and turn it into 10 short posts. Different angles, same core idea. It did it in minutes. I used those posts to bring more people into the boardroom. One input, 10 outputs. That's leverage you can actually feel. Now think about what this means for you specifically. If you run a business, this is time back in your day. Every hour your agent works is an hour you're not stuck doing busy work. You can put that time into your customers, your product, the stuff only you can do. If you're just starting out, this levels the field. You don't need a big team. You need one good setup and a clear list of jobs. That's it. And if you're a bit further along, this is how you move faster than people with way more resources, because they're still doing things by hand. You're not. Let me pull back for a second and talk about where this is going. These agents are getting better fast. The jobs they can handle keep getting bigger. What took a full day last year takes an hour now. Next year, it'll be less. So the people who set up their system now, today, are the ones who'll be miles ahead, not because they're smarter, because they started early. They built the habit. They've got the dashboard running while everyone else is still reading about it. That's the real gap forming right now. It's not about who has the fanciest tools. It's about who actually sits down and sets this up. And I want to be real with you about the hard part of all this too. There's a lot of noise, a lot of people telling you to buy this, try that, chase the next thing. It's exhausting, I know. So let me make it simple for you. You need two things: an agent that works, which is Codex running free, and a place to run it from, which is the Agent OS. That's the whole setup. Everything else is extra. Get those two things right, and you're ahead of most people out there. So here's what I'd do if I were you starting today. First, get Codex set up using the free path. Take it slow, get it running once. Second, get it into one dashboard so you're not jumping between tabs. That's the Agent OS idea. One screen, everything in view. Third, make a list of your boring, repeat tasks, the stuff you do every week that drains you. Hand those to your agent first. That's where you feel the win fastest. And fourth, keep it running. Check it each morning. Line up jobs. Let it work while you do the things that matter. That's the routine. Simple, repeatable, and it compounds. Every week you get a little faster. Let me close with this. The tech is here. It's free to start. The only thing between you and using it is the setup. And that's the exact thing I've tried to make easy for you. If you want my full Agent OS, the same one I run every day, it's ready for you inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the complete zip file ready to install on your own laptop. No building it from scratch. We've got the 30-day roadmap that walks you through getting Codex running free and getting your agents to work for your business. 4 live coaching calls every week where you can bring your own setup and get help. And a whole group of members already using this to save time, pull in leads, and get more customers. Link in the description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the full process, the notes from this video, and over 100 more AI use cases like this one, come join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes in there, plus access to over 75,000 members who are all figuring this stuff out together.